Guys, I'm back with another braid hairstyle. Yes, so in this video I have combined braid, the cornrow style, the cornrow braid, half cornrow and half braid, and also this combination of cornrow at the front and also like an extension, like a wig extension at the back. Yeah, so I have a lot of styles here, remember, and also have the jungle braids. Yes, the jungle braids is the kind of braids that is in vogue right now, and it's still going to be in vogue in 2022. Yes guys, so this video is to show you styles ideas for you to rock the special occasion. So if you're stylist or you have run out of styles idea, check out all my videos. You will definitely see a whole lot of styles that will suit your personality. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it's very important. Subscribe, like, share this video. this colorful braids. Yes, and mind you, it's not all skin texture complexion, it's kind of suit. Yeah, but if your skin in between the light and the brown skin tone, yeah, it might be okay for you. And also I love this cornrow. Yeah, our stylists are just being creative in coming up with beautiful and gorgeous cornrow. I'm thinking of having this red hair extension, but I don't know if it's going to suit me. And because I have tint my hair, so my hair is not black, so I kind of feel like, well, this may not be okay for me. But all the same, I love all the hair here. If you love it, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.